Hi everyone, I love a good flapjack and this recipe is the best. I'm using my favourite flapjack recipe and taking it to the next level by adding raspberries. These raspberry flapjacks are gorgeous and I can't wait for you to try them. Let's start baking. The first step is to place salted or unsalted butter into a saucepan. I use whatever I have in the fridge at the time. Into this we need to pour in the golden syrup and add in the light brown sugar. If you don't have golden syrup, you can use honey instead. Pop over a low heat until the sugar is fully dissolved. Now for the easy part, pour porridge oats into a bowl and into this add the frozen raspberries. You can use fresh raspberries either. Blueberries and strawberries are also fabulous in this recipe. Mix together so that the raspberries are evenly mixed in. Now we can pour in the buttery mixture and give it a good mix so that the raspberries, the porridge oats and the buttery mixture is well combined. Later on in the video I'll give you a great tip for cutting baked flapjacks into perfect squares, as I know lots of people have problems cutting them. This dish I'm using measures 9 inches by 9 inches. Using a spoon, press the mixture down well. I like to add a few extra raspberries to the top and push them into the flapjack. I think you'll all agree they're a nice finishing touch to the flapjacks. These are ready for the oven and they need about 40 minutes to bake. Look at these, they're ready and the flapjacks are a nice golden colour, just how we want them. Cool for about 5 minutes. Now for my tip, what I do is I press the flapjack down with something flat and heavy. By doing this it helps to compress the flapjacks together and stop them from breaking when you cut them. It's also important to chill in the fridge for a couple of hours. Cut using a sharp knife and you'll need to add a little bit of extra pressure to the knife so you can cut down into them as they're hard to cut. As you can see, these are cut perfectly. It's so disappointing when you make a batch of flapjacks and they fall apart when you cut them. Don't forget to comment below and let me know what you think of this raspberry flapjack recipe. These raspberry flapjacks are popular in my house. The kids and big kids love them and I know you'll like them too. Thanks for watching. Happy baking everyone. Enjoy!